So I installed the Oxford heated grips on the KLR this past weekend, and the installation was quick and easy. I didn't record the installation, or it wasn't a tutorial, because there's a bajillion how to install these heated grips on your motorcycle online, and I just didn't feel like being yet another one. So I just got a clip of how I ran the power, and I'll put that in this video somewhere. But what I wanted to ask is, when I was taking the OEM grips off, the left grip, the clutch side grip, came off real easy. I was able to get a very small, long slotted screwdriver under the grip and little WD-40, and it twisted right off. The throttle side, I had a lot of problems getting that side off. I split it. It didn't even want to peel off. I had to use a razor blade to almost shave all the old grip off. And there was so much rubber residue on the throttle tube that I had to get a drill with a wire brush on it and just brush off all that rubber that was left on there. And I know I didn't sand it. I didn't take any plastic off. I just, got most of that rubber off of there. And I cleaned it both up real good with Windex to make sure there wasn't no WD-40 or any other oily residue. And the clutch side slid on. It didn't slide on. I had trouble getting it on without the super glue, just to get it lined up. So I didn't slide it all the way on because I didn't want to get it off. With the super glue, it slid on. It was nice and snug. And once I got it in spot, it seized up pretty damn quick. The throttle side, not so much. I was worried that the throttle side wasn't going to adhere at all. Even after, 10 minutes or so, I could still turn it and you could feel it slipping a little bit. And it was very loose. So I was just curious, does anybody else have the same experience that I did? Was your throttle side Oxford grip pretty loose compared to the clutch side? So yeah, leave a comment below. I'd be interested to know how that went for you. So that's all I got for today. Short vlog. Just wanted to get some content going and keep the channel flowing. It's all about flow. And I'll talk to y'all again soon. I just wanted to show everybody on the right side of the bike here where I have this fuse panel right behind the fairing. And that's where I'm going to get my power from. So it's a lot easier than taking the tank off and routing wires all up under the seat. And the power to this comes straight from the battery right here. So it's the same thing. So anyway, that's how I'm going to wire the heated grips up. And I've got a couple other things I'm going to put on the bike today, so maybe I'll add that to this video. But yeah, this is a very handy device to have. And I think I remember where I get it, but if I find the link on Amazon, I'll post it down in the description. On another subject today, I actually did have some decals made. I said I'd never do it, but I see all these people exchanging stickers with each other, and it's pretty cool. I think that's a pretty interesting thing to do. So I jumped on the bandwagon, so to speak. So here they are. And if you think you want one, if you want to trade stickers, let me know, and I'll shoot them in the mail. I'll make sure I put my mailing address in the description. And so yeah, I jumped on the sticker campaign. Who'd have thought? And also, a big milestone for me after a million years on YouTube, I have just crept over 700 subscribers, which is unbelievable to me. I mean, it's happened pretty quick. These last 100 or so, or 200 have came by pretty quick, and I really, I'm happy about that. And I appreciate everybody's support. More than anything, I appreciate the comments. I love going back and forth with people in the comments, and as much as I love leaving comments on other people's videos as well. To me, the interaction is very personal, and I enjoy it, and I'd love to meet every one of you people. I mean, I really would. Every one of you. I would definitely love to sit down, have a cup of coffee, tell some jokes, shake hands, hug it out, and go on our merry ways. But that's just how I am. I'm a very friendly person, and in person as well as online. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So anyway, I got stickers. I did have some spam cards made too. They'll probably be in a week, so I'll send these out with a spam card. If interested, let me know. If you share your address on your YouTube channel or in your description, You might just get a spam letter from me at random, whether you want it or not. If you want to set it on fire in a video, by all means, just make a video of you burning it all. That'd be great. So that's a short update. So hey guys, if you like that video and this content is something you're having interest in, or you want to know more information about this KLR 650 or modifications you can do to it, or what I've done to it, or anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you watching it. And if you enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button down below and click that little bell down there so you know when I upload more videos. As always, be safe out there, and I'll talk to y'all again soon.